Hi, Haley. Hi, Cherokee. This is Strawn, your biology teacher. I am just trying to catch you up to where we were when you guys kind of joined our conference. And also, I wanted to kind of show you the textbook and things. So I sent you an email with your username and password. You'll go to this website right here, myhrw.com. When you get here, and you get to this page, go ahead and click this little star up in the address bar. That'll bookmark the page for you, and it should show up right here on your toolbar after that. So when you want to come back to it, you don't have to type in the address every time. You'll put in your username and password here. I'm going to do mine. And that gets you logged in. Now, when you log in, yours is going to look a little bit different than mine because I have the teacher version. The first thing you'll want to do is click right here that says Online Textbook and Resources. Now the menu here is really pretty simple. There's just a couple of things you have to remember. First of all, you have access to this Student Premium, and you also have access to this Student Resources right here. The tricky thing about this textbook is that when you go to switch chapters, like right now we are in chapter 13, it doesn't automatically update. You have to actually tell it to go. See this button here? You have to tell it to go before it'll bring you the chapter 13 materials. So yesterday we did a virtual lab. I have the link to the write-up already on Canvas. You should have access to it. If you don't, let me know. But it is here under Multimedia Labs and Activities. And then it says Virtual Labs. And then what you can do is on your time, you can just click on it and it'll bring up a new window and you can go through the activity and you can fill out the lab write-up as you go. And that's how we do virtual labs. If you miss a lecture, you're out, you don't understand something that I have been talking about, you can go to the ebook. And the ebook has, it's just your textbook. So you can read anything that you want to in here. And it's really neat. It'll let you bookmark parts. It'll let you take notes, any of that kind of stuff. You can skip around to different chapters. You can actually go to a particular page if you want to by clicking in here. Also, under your student premium, after you read a chapter, you can do an interactive review right here. And there's games that you can do, there's self-checks. Sometimes I'll assign those and ask you to take a picture of your completed page and post it to me on Canvas. If you're not sure how to do that, I'll make you another tutorial and show you how to do that. Also, if you don't understand a concept or if you want more clarification, there's these neat animations and simulations. And as you can see, they're just animations that are related to what we're learning. And also under videos, we have these little video clips that are pretty interesting too. Sometimes I'll show them in class, or you might want to look at some of them on your own. The other thing I wanted to tell you is that in Canvas, I'm going to go over there now. When you click on my class, you should see all of the activities that we've done. Anything that's before when you joined my class, I'm going to exempt you from, so don't worry about having to do any of that. But if you want to quickly find something, go into assignments. And again, I know that your Canvas looks a little different than mine, but I know that you have the assignments button. And it usually will put the newest things on top. So the notes I was talking about today in class that you could download are right here, Ecology Notes Chapter 13. And when you click on that, it leads you to a copy of the notes. And when you click on this link here to the notes, it's going to open up a page just like this for you. And it prompts you to make a copy. You see that? Go ahead and push the button to make a copy. And now you have your own copy of the notes that you can highlight. You can make the text a different size. You can add things to it, whatever you want. And what I would suggest that you do is when this pulls up, go ahead and click this little folder icon right here, and it'll pull up a menu so that you can move it to your biology folder. That being said, if you don't have a biology folder in Canvas yet, in Google Drive yet, let me show you how to do that. So you get into your Google Drive. There's a couple of ways to get there. One is to make a new tab. My computer's taking a long time to load because I'm running this video program. But you go here and you can click on Drive. You see the button right there to click on Drive. Or the other way is if you go up to your toolbar, there's this bapsonline.org bookmarks. If you click on that, Google Drive is also right in there, and so is Canvas. So those are some quick links. If you can't see this toolbar, how you get there is you click on this little 3-line thing here, and you go to Bookmarks, and one of your options is Show Bookmarks Toolbar. So just make sure there's a check mark there, and then this little bar will pop up so you can see it. So here we are in our drive, and if we were just out in our main drive, to make a biology folder, all you would do is click the New button, New Folder, and you see it pops up right there. And then you can just type in biology and tell it to create. And you see where it popped up right there? And that's where you can put all of your work for my class so that you can find it again when you want to submit assignments through Canvas. That is pretty much what I wanted you to know about how to access materials. There may be more things. I'm trying to work out some things so that if we have a lab experience, maybe I can record it for you or bring you with me through Google Hangouts or something, but I'm still working on that, so I'll let you know when I get there. Ooh, this screen looks weird, doesn't it? Well, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me or to contact me through Canvas. And otherwise, I will see you guys next time that we have lecture.